So, panoorin nyo kasi maraming twists and angles and plots yung pelikula na parang I made it a point na yung kasi sa mga bata to, pang Gen Z din, pang iPod din sila then this two kids so wala na yun narinig wala
ako kasi syempre pag nakatrabaho mo mga icons ng industry, yung respect mo sa kanila kasi initingala mo sila mga actresses natin, great actresses ng Philippine cinema. So ngayon, first time ko siya makatrabaho, na-excite ako. Umuwi pa siya from Cebu just to attend this. Karating na niya from the airport. So, diretso. So, tapos excited siya to meet you guys. Tapos excited siyang ma-meet kami at first time namin magtitita. Talagang sabi ko, nakaka-challenge ito for me na kasi nag-expect siya ng good quality kasi nando si Pilar Pilapil. Di ba? Hindi gagawa si Pilar Pilapil ng isang kachipang pelikula. So kaya yun ang challenge sa akin.
Tama ka.
Thank you.
Thank you, Direk. Thank you,
Actually, when
Direk.
she first accepted the role, tinanong muna niya yung gist ng story, yung synopsis, before she finally said yes. And then, masaya naman, she said yes.
Miss Pilar, ano po reaction po ninyo sa sinabi ni Direk?
Well, I'll definitely be challenged. But it's okay, I trust him. I know he will be able to cope with the challenge.
Thank you po.
Well, sige, set aside na natin that it's baggy and it's dirty. Nung kinuwento niyo sa akin yung story, I think hindi pa actually confirmed din sa Tita Pilar. Sinabi niya na ito yun, medyo horror, whatever. Wow, sounds interesting. And I think the last time I did a horror movie was in the 90s. So, medyo sabi ko, uy, parang bago, sige, gusto ko talaga. Lalo na kinuwento niya sa akin kung ano yung mga magbago na. Kasi sinabi pa niya sa akin, eventually sinabi niya sa akin, oh, okay na si Pilar, o si Direk Louie talaga ito. Sige na, let's go, let's do this. Because I've never worked with Direk Louie in a film. Puro kami sis. Puro kami variety show. Never talagang acting. So, exciting po.
Miss Pilar, what made you accept this role?
Well, first of all, I read the story. When I accept the role, I just don't read my part. I read the whole story. And it's a good story. And it's not a very simple treatment.
Okay.
It's not going to be a simple treatment. It's going to be a bit complicated. And I like complications in the story.
Okay.
And with regards to my role, it's kind of, I like it because it doesn't, I don't talk much, there's not much dialogue.
Okay.
Very limited on dialogue and brief, but there's a lot of nuances in the role, which I like.
Will you be deglamorized in the film, or you're still as beautiful like that, just like that?
Well, I don't know about the glamorization, but I'm playing the role here of Lola Pasita.
Okay.
And Lola Pasita lives in an island all by herself together with her daughter. And she deals with her grandchildren and all the things that happened in the past within that house. So she is probably a simple old woman with a lot of complexities in the situations in the family. So it has nothing to do with glamorization. It has something to do with experience in the particular family.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Pilar.
Ay, Miss Bambi, tanong ko lang, alam ko ikaw yung nagsulat nito, di ba? So, ano yung inspiration mo of doing this? Is this a true-to-life thing na ginawa mong movie? Like what you did dun sa Sugat sa Dugo? Or parang it's just events?
I would like also to thank the to give attention to one of our producers, Vic. Hi, Vic. Hello. Say hello to the friends.
everyone.
Hello. These are dear friends. It was conceptualized during the shooting of Sugar Saludo. Kasi during the pandemic, wala akong ginawa ko naman ng Netflix. Which I told you before. Kaya lang yung pandemic lock ka, so wala akong choice but to watch. And then I realized, ano ba yung mga na number 1 sa Netflix? So I had like 5 genres, and one of them na yung suspense thriller. Ngayon, nung inaano ko na siya, lumawak na yung storya. And then, actually, yung story was, kailan ba tayo direct?
Last year.
Last year, nag-usap na kami with the writer, si Chris Cash, in June. And then, finally natapos yung script in December after 4 revisions. And then, it landed on the hands of direct, nagkaroon pa ng 5th revision. So, probably maayos na yung script kasi I told the writer, do everything, just make sure walang butas lahat ng scenes. So, yun yun.
Thank you. Yung tanong ko lang doon sa mga new breed of artists na kasali ngayon, saan kayo mas kinakabahan at nag-challenge? Doon sa pagdidirect ni Direk Louie na award-winning o ang maka-eksena si Miss Pilar Pilapil dito sa movie? Starting with siguro
Excuse me, we want to introduce Rain Vallejo. One of the cast. Robin.
Hi everyone, I'm so sorry I'm late, but I'm happy to be here. Merci.
Dahil ikaw ang nahuli ko.
yung sumagot. Saan ka mas na-challenge na gawin yung film? Working with award-winning director like Direk Louie or scene with Miss Pilar Pilapil and Jelly?
Well, actually it's a very big challenge for me kasi this is my first film again after I think almost a decade of not doing acting. So I'm very, very excited to work with them again and, be with my craft. I think this is a good challenge for everyone. Diba? Yun ba?
Thank you. Yeah. Tan.
Okay, pwede po bang both? Super challenging talaga. Of course, with Direk Louie kasi syempre, hindi ko alam kung paano yung way niya ng directing, kung terror ba siya, strict ba siya, masunod ba siya, I don't know. I'm really excited. And of course, lahat daw. With Tita Pilar, of course, grabe, like a veteran actress ka, di ba? As everybody say. Super challenging po talaga kasi like yung sinabi niyo po kanina, kailangan maramdaman ko yung presence niyo. Ibig sabihin doon, yung pressure is nasa amin. Kasi obviously, with Tita Pilar, effortless na yun, wala na. Siya na yun talaga. Siya na yung role niya na yun, alam niya na yun. Pero kami, as first time, we're siyempre adjusting, learning pa. So this time, tingnan natin. I'm sure, I'm really, really sure na marami po kami matututunan sa inyo. And I'm so excited about that po. Thank you.
Well, for me naman po, same po kitan, both po. As a first timer po na this is something big, lalo na po mga cover ko po si Lord Pilapil and also Direk Louie. I hope po mag-grade niyo po kanya sa first timer na maka-act po na nila. Thank you. For me po actually, I'm very excited and I'm very nervous. I know that when I'll be working with veterans who are well-known names in the industry, I know that I'll be learning things when it comes to work. So I'm very excited for that and I'm really looking forward for it. But at the same time, I feel very challenged because I feel like I have to up my skills since it is my first time. I have to be on the same level as Miss Jelly de Belen, Miss Pilar Pilapil, and I'm just really excited and really looking forward for this project, and I hope that you guys are as well. Thank you so.
So yun nga po, sobrang nakakaba and na-excite. Siyempre,
artista na rin yung nakakasama ko ngayon. And bilang isang nag-a-acting din ko, first time ko rin po sila makasama and lalo po yung si Direk. First time ko rin po siya naging director. Then nakakaba po kasi yun nga po, first time and di ko po alam kung paano siya gawin mag-direct. Then nag-hope po ako na alam ko naman po na mag-guide po kami direct sa tamang pag-acting po. Yun po lang po. Thank you.
Kailan marinig yung mga boses?
Hello, Lord. Ayun nga po, nag-workshop din po ako.
Shira, yeah.
For me po, I would say both. Pero this is such a challenge to hold us to be better. And it's such a privilege to work.
It's such a privilege to work with them since I've worked with a lot of veteran actors and compare this to something that I'm really looking forward to and I'm really excited since it's a challenging role for mine. And of course, very challenging din po yung mga kawin ko and which is that's why it makes it more exciting.
Thank you. Si Kai naman, Kai?
Hi again, good afternoon. Sobrang excited po ako kasi dream role ko po talaga is dream role ko po. At masaya po ako kasi sa lugong mama ko po si Miss Janice Digalan, ngayon po si Miss Jamie Digalan. Sobrang bata pa lang po ako napapanood ko yung sis. Papasok po ako ng school, pinapanood ko siya na sa bahay.
So nagka-cut ka.
Pero hindi po tumatanda si Miss Jane.
Marunong naman pala bumawi. May bawi.
Sobrang sexy pa rin.
Tama na.
Si Miss Pilar Pilapin po. Yan po.
Wala yung
Si
bawi.
Miss Pilar Pilapin po. Sobrang excited po. Kamukha po siya ng mga kapatid ng Lola po.
Wow.
Yes po.
Pinaganda pala kayo.
Siyempre po si Rico Barreto po. Yes. Childhood friends. Sobrang excited po for challenging. Lalo po so workshop po. May ipapakita po namin sa Sheila.
For me po, of course, kinakabahan din po ako because I know that mag-pressure ako pagdating ko na dun sa set. But I'm also very excited to be able to work with all these people and to be part of a movie like this since, my past roles po, hindi naman siya, it's my first time to do a movie in this genre, which is thriller type, which is also one of my favorite genres, so I'm very excited. And I'm just excited to see how our dynamic will be on set and to work with Direct Louis since it's my first time.
Thank you.